Baking can be a delightful adventure, but sometimes it feels more like a disaster waiting to happen. Don't worry, today we're solving 7 of the most common baking problems in minutes. You spend all that time preparing your batter, only to find your cake didn't rise. The culprit? Often old baking powder. Test it by adding some to warm water. If it bubbles, it's still good. Also, spoon and level your flour, and gently fold in whipped egg whites for extra lift. Flat cookies? Your dough might be too warm. Chill it for at least 30 minutes before baking. And don't overmix. Too much air leads to spreading. Cold dough equals thicker, yummier cookies. Dense bread is often under-kneaded or under-risen. Knead for 10 minutes until smooth and stretchy. Then let it double in size. Use the window pane test. Stretch the dough. If it's thin and doesn't tear, it's ready. Runny frosting? Add more powdered sugar a little at a time. Or, you could use cream cheese for better structure. Let it chill before spreading. That gives you a perfect, smooth finish. Overbaking ruins texture. Always set a timer and check 3 to 5 minutes early. Use an oven thermometer. Some ovens run hot. Rotate pans halfway through for even baking. A soggy pie bottom? Blind bake your crust. Use parchment and pie weights and bake until golden. Let it cool before adding filling. Cold butter and an egg wash help too. Burnt edges? Cover them with foil halfway through baking. Check your oven's heat and rotate pans. Light-colored trays help avoid this too. Baking is a journey full of small mistakes and sweet fixes. With these tips, you're one step closer to becoming a kitchen pro. Like these tips? Click like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more baking magic every week.